How to use filters in Alibaba. So after you've installed, open the Alibaba app and your home screen should look something like this. Then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and search for products that you want, and after searching for the product you'll see many options like free shipping, certifications, fast customizations, and on the far left you'll see an filter icon. Simply tap on it and here you can filter the supplier features, minimum order quantity, price per item, and etc. So for now I'll just go ahead and filter the price, and after I'm done I'll simply tap on apply, and now Alibaba will filter the products according to my price range and show it to me. And it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.